Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we will be talking about more standout features of the iOS 26. First, we will be talking about some of the features in the settings app. Let's go to the settings. In the settings and sounds and haptics, and all the way down, we have a late night mode. The late night mode is designed to optimize the loud sounds that may come out if you are listening or watching movies during the late night. So you may not disturb the others. The other one has to do with the camera app. In the camera app, if you go all the way down, we have a lens cleaning hints. So if your camera is dirty, once you open the camera, it will give you a hint to clean the camera. Like this. Now inside battery, it is going to tell us if you're charging your iPhone, it will tell us how much time is left to charge it set limit. For example, if we connect our iPhone to a charger, so it is gathering the information, and here it is saying 17 minutes are left to charge it to the 80%. And on the lock screen, 17 minutes straight, it looks like this. The screenshot has been completely redesigned in iOS 26. For example, if we are reading in the web something which contains a date, if we take a screenshot of that, so it will give us the whole information about this page. It can summarize the page. If it finds a date inside the screenshot, it will tell us to add this to the calendar, and it can automatically create an event. Let us give it a few seconds. This is how it creates an event. It can also summarize it. So this is how it works. Now if we are in a web page and we are not able to understand, or it is written in a different language, like this, if we take a screenshot of this, it can summarize it. It can also translate it. Like this, it has translated it. It was in the Chinese and now it has translated into English. And if the screenshot contains a flight number, it can give us the flight information. This is also a change to the Files app. Within the Files app, if we have different folders, we can recolorize them. We can add tags, we can add smileys to the newly created folders. For example, if we are creating a new folder here, let's name it pictures. Now we are going to press and hold this new folder. We have a new option, customize folder and tags. We can add any smiley or any picture on the folder. Like this. Or we can add any emoji. For For example, we can write down here pictures like this. We can also recolorize it. Again, we'll go to the customize folder and tags. Okay, and we click tags, and we have different colors like purple. So this is how we can recolorize the folder. And by the time you are watching this video, if you have not subscribed my channel yet, do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you get notified about the videos like this in the future. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.